Dear children, a long summer vacation, very hot and humid. Imagine no air condition, no cooler, no television, no mobile even, no school. Yes, this was vacation time during our school days. How did we spend this vacation? Can you imagine? Must be wondering about this impossible kind of vacation. But seriously, everyone of our age really misses these vacations. Pull up masti, lots of games, friends, and the most attractive thing was reading books. Competition among friends to read books. We used to read a book each day and complete it in Odia, Hindi, English, or in our mother tongue. Stories, novels, fictions, science, history, general knowledge, our scriptures, books and books and books. We really eagerly wait for vacations to read books. This reading habit has widened, broadened our vision, our creativity, and helped us write poems, stories, essays, and developed our comprehensive capacity. Yes, students, books, wonderful companions. I thoroughly enjoyed reading books. Enjoy now too, and shall enjoy in my future. I enjoy my time in the book fair the most. Imagine how much information is stored in each page of a book. We don't have time to read one page, but people write so much. We should be grateful to all the authors who write books for us. So today is the time when we should all express our gratitude to the authors. Students, today is World Book Day, 23rd April. The significance of this day will be told to you by Mamta teacher. You listen very carefully and enjoy and learn a lot. I'll just tell you that books are our best friends. Why should we read books? These books enrich our mind and broaden our perspective towards life. They don't ask us questions, they rather provide us answers to our questions. They are the best refuge from the woes and troubles of our life. Reading a book can save us from our troubles. Books are the best teachers who clarify all our doubts. They are always there with us. They make us better persons too. We can travel with them to any part of the world. Nowadays, your daily routine centers around Facebook updates or different social medias, isn't it? Do you read daily? If you don't, you are missing out something very, very important in your life, children. Reading really stimulates our mind and keeps our brain active. So, to keep our brain fit and healthy, we must read books. A good story, novel, poem can help us release our stress. Of course, we gain knowledge that a human being needs. The more you read, the better is your vocabulary. You speak, write good language. Your memory expands. You think, analyze in much better way. A person who regularly reads analyzes the situation in a better way. Reading makes us more intelligent. It develops our concentration too. In a house where parents read books for the children and children listen to them, it creates an enjoyable atmosphere in the house and strengthens the bond between parents and children. In our childhood days, our parents used to read stories for us, we used to listen. It helps children to become sensitive and empathetic. The joy of reading books is unlimited, children. Mahatma Gandhi became Gandhi as books laid the foundation of this great man. King Harishchandra and Shravan Kumar are the two books which influenced him in his childhood. Children, books help you imagine and create your own world. You create your own world. Television, mobile, on the other hand, They destroy our mind and our creativity. We became literally machines. Hence, children, take a good book to bed with you, not a mobile, as books do not snore. They do not disturb your sleep, rather, they help you have a sound sleep. If you love books, you love yourself. So make a habit of reading to be a true and cultured human being. I wish all of you a very, very happy World Book Day. I request all the parents, please provide books to our dear children. And now that lockdown is going on and children are not coming to school, they really need books which can expand their creativity and imagination. They can travel around the world with books. They can enjoy a life. So, hence, children, today at least read a book and make a habit and keep on reading, because loving books is loving yourself. Thank you, children. Wish you a very happy World Book Day. Thank you.